stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see my heart starts...
Hey guys, I didn't really do a proper intro to this video, but I just kind of jumped in and realized, you know what, I should start filming. So I'm using this Folex Cleaner, and I've seen some hype about this recently, so I wanted to try it out and see how it works on our sofa. Since moving and just having pets and just it being a light color sofa, it's really taken a beating, I think more than we had realized. We were looking at it the other day and we were like, oh my god, this sofa is like disgusting. So far I've cleaned these two cushions. I feel like this one is super dramatic. It was just as dark as this one and it already looks so much better. It's still very wet. I really saturated it with that stuff. And I used a washcloth on each one. These washcloths were like white when I started, and look how much dirt. This was the first one, and then this is the second one for this cushion. So basically I just spray. I mean, there's no method to it. I just spray, and then, like as you saw in the clip before, just wipe it, and it seems like it's taking some of the stuff off. I am going to go in with my fabric shaver and get all these little fuzzies off. When you look at it up close, it really is still pretty dirty, but I also just picked up this sorry, my voice, I'm a little bit sick. I picked up this Hoover Spots and Stains, so we'll see. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like before I go in with this steam cleaner and see how clean I can get it with just the Folex. Honestly, like for just like your everyday spots and stains that happen and you clean it up right away, this stuff would work so well. Like, I'm seriously blown away by this because this was really dirty. I don't know why this one isn't coming up as easy. This one has like a lot of, I guess, just like dirt. I don't know. This was Steven's sofa when he had roommates. It's kind of like a bachelor pad, but unfortunately this is like such a pretty sofa. I hate that that happened, but anyway, I'm gonna try to bring it back to life and get it all nice and cleaned up. But yeah, so far the Folex is working really well. So I'm gonna go in with another clean washcloth for this final cushion, and I'll show y'all what it looks like before I steam clean. Oh, you know what? I wanted to show you. So there's a little mark right here. Let's do like a live demonstration and see if we can get this out. So I don't know what that is, but okay, a mark from moving. Spray. See if it comes out. Okay, not completely. I'll keep working at it. I was hoping it was going to be like a dramatic before and after, but I don't know. There was a spot, I wasn't filming, but there was a spot that I like sprayed it and went like this and it just like immediately came out. So some of these stains are set, most of these stains, who am I kidding, are set in, which is a shame, but okay, well, I'll keep working and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us.
Okay, whole sofa has been wiped down with the Folex, and I think it looks pretty good. I mean, obviously, like I said, you can still, I just went through again, tried to get off those marks, but they are just set in there. But overall, I know the lighting's not great, but I'm pretty impressed with how much dirt came off with just that cleaner and a cloth. Like, it literally just like falls off. Yeah, it works pretty good. I did the side and that came out really nice. So now I'm going to go in with this Hoover spots and stains system, see how that does. So I'll show you guys how that looks.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time.
Okay, well, the lighting is so bad. Sorry, the sun is coming in right through here. This isn't going as planned. I followed the directions to a T and they're not very difficult, and when I turn this on, it's not coming out. Like, I don't understand what the problem is. The solution is in here. I'm trying to go like this and it's not coming out. So I think I'm gonna call their 1-800 number and see if they can help me. So anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. Okay, I'm back and I got it to work. The first time you use it, you have to lift it higher up. It has to be elevated so that the water can go down through the hose. You can't like start on the floor and like lift it up and expect the water to go up. So anyway, I guess that's why it wasn't working. So I just showed a clip of me spraying the solution. So I just used the solution it came with, and then it's a concentrated solution. You mix it with a little bit of warm water. And I didn't really feel like it was doing anything. Granted, all of my stains are set in stains. They're not like I just spilled, you know, a cup of juice and I'm trying to get it up. But I just went in again and sprayed the Folex Cleaner. I sprayed it, then sprayed just a little bit of water, wait a second, and then suction it up. And now, look at the water. Ew. That's so gross. So I feel like that's working a little bit better. I should have just bought the huge one of these. I feel like I'm already like halfway through this bottle. I bought this actually at Bed Bath & Beyond. They have it there. But they have like the huge gallon size one at Home Depot for like $15. So I wasn't sure how much I'd be using. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. So I started with the small one, but I just recommend buying the big one. So anyway, I'm going to just use that method. I'm not even gonna waste my time just using the regular solution. I'm gonna use this again, plus the solution, and I'll let you guys know how it looks.
Around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control.
Alright, here's what the water looks like. Pretty freaking disgusting. It's like almost black. It's so gross. But let me show you what the sofa looks like. I am going to do one more cushion over here. Sorry, the house is so messy because I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done today. but this is what it looks like. This cushion is still not perfect. It's definitely much better. But I'm gonna go ahead and say that I think that the winning combo is, I think this machine is great, and I really do like it. It's nice and small and compact and convenient. It's awesome. It doesn't have steam. It's truly just a little like power spot cleaner, which I think is great. But just so you know, if you're interested in this one, it doesn't have steam if that's something you're looking for. But I think that combined with this product is really what's making this work. Because I went over some spots with just their solution, and I feel like, I mean, it definitely cleaned it, and I'm sure it would clean it if it was a spot that just happened, but I think that this is what's making the difference with the set-in stain. So highly recommend using both of these together, or whatever, you know, cleaning system that you have. So anyway, I think I'm going to end the video here because I feel like it's getting really repetitive. I found Steven's hat in the sofa. But yeah, it's looking really good, and I think it's better than it was, and I'm very happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by liking it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.